Before you say a single word, the world already starts judging you. So why not walk, sit, and move like someone they can't ignore? A strong, masculine walking style lets you create a confident and powerful presence without saying a single word. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. That's why walking the right way matters. Let's explore a few powerful techniques. 1. The masculine shoulder swing. When small animals feel threatened, they shrink or stiffen up. Similarly, if your shoulders are stiff while walking, you look nervous or scared. Men naturally have more testosterone, which is why wide shoulders are considered masculine. Studies show women are more attracted to men with broader shoulders, while men prefer women with narrower shoulders and wider hips. That's because the shoulder-to-hip ratio plays a major role in how attractive we're perceived. High-status women show femininity with wide hip movement. High-value men, on the other hand, walk with a confident shoulder swing to show strength. So if you're a man, walk with relaxed, swinging shoulders, like a real man. 2. Keep your head up. Always hold your head high. Face life's tough moments with confidence instead of looking down and avoiding the world. 4. Keep your head still and movement calm. If your head keeps turning in every direction while walking, it looks like you're distracted or insecure. Walk with your gaze steady and calm, like a king focused on his path. Sitting with confidence, like a boss. Walking like a high-value man is one thing, but sit wrong, and all that confidence vanishes. So, learn to sit like a boss, relaxed, in control, and confident. 1. Claim space while sitting. Own some space using your arms. Rest your hands on a table, on your thighs, or wherever feels natural, but make sure it looks purposeful. Follow the same approach when standing up. Don't slouch. Keep your back straight and smile with calm confidence. 2. The cross-leg power pose. Often misunderstood, but when done right, it's a high-status posture. Step 1. Sit with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Cross your right leg over your left, ensuring knees align and your lower leg lightly touches the floor. Step 2. Take up space with your arms. On a couch, spread one arm out and rest the other on your knee. On a chair, use the armrests confidently. It's a bold posture, commonly used by successful people, but avoid using it in personal situations. It might come off as arrogant. 3. Feet firmly on the ground. Place both feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart, with knees slightly outward. It's the most natural and powerful sitting position for men. Always sit upright, shoulders back. Never fold into yourself. This posture is the foundation of masculine body language. Leadership starts with communication. To truly become a high-value man, you must master leadership, and that begins with communication. Studies show that 55% of communication is body language, 38% is tone of voice, and only 7% are the actual words. In short, strong words alone aren't enough. If your tone and body language are weak, your message falls flat. Body language while speaking. Great body language while speaking depends on 3 things. 1. Your posture. 2. Facial expressions. 3. Hand movements. You already know the importance of posture and a confident smile. Let's focus on hand movements. They can increase your impact by over 50%. That's why great leaders, speakers, and influencers use them effectively. But don't wave your hands randomly. That shows nervousness. Use 4 key gestures, points, to direct focus to a word or person. Use a finger point to emphasize. Let me be clear. Use a hand point for people, but never point with a finger. It looks aggressive. Sweeps, to illustrate broad ideas. There are endless possibilities out there. Frames, to show time or size. This project has 2 phases. Cuts, for firm, final statements. I will not allow this, or that's enough. Watch any great speaker. They all use this combination to deliver maximum impact. Final thoughts. This was your complete guide to building confident, masculine body language. If you truly want to become a respected, high-value alpha male, take this seriously. Avoid closed-off body language. Walk slow. Speak with calm authority. Hold eye contact. Remember, Your body speaks louder than your words. Master these simple moves, and you won't need to chase respect. It'll follow you. If you're serious about becoming the most confident version of yourself, start now. Don't just watch. Walk like a boss. Sit like a king. Own every room you enter.